The incredible thing about this project is that what seemed to be just a superficial condition of the eaves, when we opened up these areas of the invasive openings, we saw that there was severe deterioration and severe corrosion of the light gauge metal framing that supports that cladding system and forms the exterior wall of the building. So what you see here are the elevation drawings that were used, that were developed from the LiDAR scans, which was an advantage where we could put these together very quickly soon after the site visit. So on to the other task that we were hired to do out here. This is a view of the driveway on the west side of the building, which had a waterproof membrane below the topping slab. But there was a question as to how much weight, in particular as it related to fire trucks, emergency vehicles, equipment such as aerial boom lifts that would be pulled up and onto this surface. So the scan data here was very helpful in looking at slices of the information below that deck and see spans and kind of understand the geometries of this. This is a cross-section, transverse cross-section looking through that sloping driveway and the parking spaces below. What we were able to do is pair this LiDAR data with some other investigative work from the garage side to determine, where these precast plank that form the structural slab, where they were made, where they came from, and then also determine or infer what the thickness of the topping slab was without having to do destructive testing such as cores through that system. Now what you see here is a longitudinal section from north to south, which illustrates the bearing conditions from north to south, and that was used in our analysis. So, the beautiful thing about these point cloud models is that you can snap dimensions from any different angle, and these were helpful in determining, tributary areas and helped us to generate these calculations and figure out the capacity of this system. So in conclusion, we used the LiDAR to identify structural elements. We were able to infer things that we couldn't see otherwise, such as the thickness of the topping slab, and ultimately we're able to give the association guidance as to the limitations of certain vehicles that could access this driveway element.